guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. Today I'm going to be reviewing some luxury jewelry pieces from Linjer. Linjer is a female-founded brand with an ethical statement focusing on women's empowerment and sustainability. Linjer designs are simple and minimal and definitely make for some gorgeous everyday pieces. I'm so excited to show you the pieces that I selected, but first I want to share with you my discount code. I'm going to list it right here. It's CHRISTINAEILEEN, and I'll leave it in the description box below as well. Alright, let's get unboxing.
I miss your colorful eyes. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine, fine.
Alright, so this ring, it's called Freya. It's a leaf ring. They have it in gold and white cubic zirconian. Their gold pieces actually use a sterling silver base, plated with a super thick layer of 22 karat gold. Their gold plating is 5 times thicker than regular gold plated jewelry and 100 times thicker than flash plated jewelry. This means that their pieces will outlast other jewelry by many, many years. Linjer carries solid gold as well, but the gold plated is definitely the more affordable option while securing a dainty and gorgeous piece. This piece is honestly so pretty. It's giving fairy tale vibes meets Middle Earth, but at the same time it's also really elegant, and I can see this piece worn as an extra ring on like your wedding day.
Honestly, baby, I can't tell you why.
This tennis bracelet is such a stunning piece. I personally love how dainty it is. It looks so elegant. I love how timeless tennis bracelets are. They've been around since the 1920s and have remained popular throughout the years. So getting yourself a statement tennis bracelet is definitely a must, especially at such an affordable price for good quality jewelry from Linjer. This tennis bracelet comes in the gold Vermeil as well as silver and is stunning in both colors. I would also love to have the silver. This version is made with cubic zirconia instead of diamonds, but they look just as stunning. And it has 3 different spots to fasten that are 6 inches, 6.5, and 7 inches. This piece is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot to wear it out and see how many people compliment it.
묻어져가는 우리 사이 왜 눈치 못했을까 내 시선은 너 하나뿐이었지 단 한 번도 I never thought you were.
Alright, last but not least,
Thought it was all make-believe 아직 몰랐던 아픔들이 곧 따라오네 맹목적으로 너를 믿은 나 결국 다 어리석은 생각 Now I know what it means to be foolish 나의 예상 못했지
this is actually my favorite piece from them. I was pleasantly surprised because when I picked this piece out, I was like trying to aim for something that I would want to wear every day. You know, I don't have to match it with my style, and it's not an occasion piece, but something that I can really wear and people will be like, oh, that's her ring that she wears. It screams elegance and sophistication, but yet is dainty enough and simple enough that it can be an everyday piece. It's perfect. So this is the gemstone ring called Monica. It comes in the gold Vermeil as well as silver with a cubic zirconian stone in the middle. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about these pieces, but I wanted to show you some celebrities that already shop with Linjer and have been seen wearing it, such as Gigi Hadid, Millie Bobby Brown, Hailey Bieber, and Brie Larson. It definitely feels more meaningful purchasing jewelry from a sustainable and ethically conscious company such as Linjer. They use lab-grown diamonds, which ensures a conflict-free diamond. They use 100% recycled gold and silver and recyclable materials wherever possible. They use recycled and sustainable packaging and still manage to make it look really cute. Their mission statement definitely aligns with my core values, and I'm really thankful to have worked with Linjer. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Linjer, and I cannot wait to try more pieces from you. So I keep saying affordable, but I want to talk about specifically the prices of the pieces that I got. The gemstone Monica ring is listed at $50. The tennis bracelet is listed at $79. And then the leaf ring is listed at $55. Now, obviously these are really affordable prices, and as you can see, the quality is really good. Linjer's whole philosophy is that women should be able to own high quality luxury jewelry without spending an insane amount of money, especially jewelry that's also long lasting. I'm going to have everything that I'm wearing linked in the description below, as well as my discount code, you guys, is CHRISTINAEILEEN. That'll give you extra money off of the already affordable prices. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you again to Linjer for sponsoring this video. I really, really love the pieces, and like I said, I cannot wait to get even more jewelry from Linjer. I just want to show you guys some pieces that I have my eye on that I really like and think are super, super stylish. Alright, with that said, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.